I've learned how to join boards, how to make sure all my cuts are accurate, how to put things together in ways I didn't know were even possible.
With the Cabinetry program, our focus is really just to get them a basic hands-on knowledge of the trade. So I go through all the materials we use. We do a really good job at getting them on all the main machines we use in the industry. Cabinet making is a big hands-on trade where you're using big industrial machines all the time. So that's a huge focus, is getting them comfortable on the different types of machines we might use in the trade. And then outside of that, we're just getting them the knowledge to take drawings from a piece of paper and bringing them to life. Give that a try. So remember, you got to switch your coordinates. Perfect. AutoCAD is a drafting program on the computer. It's kind of taken over from the old days when you do everything by hand. For example, with cabinetry, you might be trained as a cabinet maker, but maybe you're the designer. So what that would mean is that you're the one primarily talking to the client. So getting their ideas, what they want for their kitchen or bathroom vanity or built-in, using the software to actually design it on the computer, which then spits out all the dimensions, all the pieces for the actual cabinet makers to go ahead and build it.
I've never used a program like that before, so it was quite the learning curve. But now I feel confident going forward that I'll be able to just jump right in. I am so much more confident now in everything I do, and I have the instructors to thank for that.